I made a video on apps that can let you generate African folktale images, and one of the apps I mentioned was Meta AI. And I also told you guys that I'll be explaining how you can actually generate these images all for free. And the good thing, you can actually animate these images that you generated without paying a dime. And if you're someone who works most of the time with your laptop, I also got you covered. I'm going to teach you how you can also generate these images right from your laptop. Whichever image you want to create, whichever aspect ratio that you want to create, we are going to be doing that right in this tutorial. Let's get straight to our laptop while we get started with this whole thing. Okay?
So first of all, you come to your browser, Google preferably, and you type or search for Meta AI. Once you see this, just click here, this first one, Meta AI. You'll be prompted to log in or sign up. So if you don't have an account, you just click on sign up. Then if you're someone like me who already has a Meta AI account, all you have to do is just to click on login. Okay, so I'll click on login. It brings us straight to our Meta AI account. So now you can choose to ask any question you want to ask here, okay? But we want to generate images, so we'll click on this icon on the top left corner of our screen. Once you click that, you're going to see histories of all the images I've generated here, but let's keep that part. Go straight and click on create. Once you click on create, now you're going to see all these images you're seeing here are the previous images and videos I have generated with Meta AI. Okay, you see the beautiful images I've used Meta AI to create. So now we want to create something just like replicate what I did here. So I'm going to be using the same prompt I used when I was showing you guys how to create these images with your mobile device. So this is the prompt I used. Now this is prompt I used. A beautiful princess walking by the stream accompanied by palace guards. So this is where most people make mistakes. Now before you go ahead to click on generate or send, look at this area that says 16.9. If you want to use the YouTube aspect ratio, make sure it is on 16.9. If you don't want to use aspect ratio, maybe you want to generate images for your TikTok or your Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or Facebook Reel. All you have to do is just click on this icon, this drop down menu, and then you're going to see the 9.16 aspect ratio. If you want just to generate the ones for Facebook pictures or Instagram pictures or the square shape, just click on this one, and then before you click on generate. But since we are going to be using the YouTube aspect ratio, we don't want this one, we want the 16.9 aspect ratio. So we click on the 16.9, which is the YouTube standard, and we go ahead and click on send. You have to wait for a few seconds so that it can load the images. It normally gives you 4 images at a time. So if you don't want the images it gives you, you can always go ahead to generate more images. Now these are the images it generated, different from the other ones it generated for me when I was showing you guys how to use your mobile device to do this one. So look at the images, very beautiful aesthetic images, guys. Look at them. And you know the good thing, you can always animate any of these images. You turn them to videos just with one touch. You're just a click away. If you don't want to turn them to video, just click on the one you want. For example, and you click on the download button. If it's this one, you click on the download button, okay? Or you can just tap on it so you can see the full image, the full view. Now this is what this one looks like. Okay, so now you can just come here and close it. So if you want to animate this one, for example, you're just a click here, like I said. So you just click on animate. Wait for a few seconds and the video is right here, guys. Look at the video. Let's play the video. You see, it's been turned to video, from a picture to a video. So once you've gotten what you want to get, just click on the download button and it gets downloaded automatically to your system. Okay, and that is that about generating AI images with Meta AI for your African folktale stories. Very easy, very simple, very efficient, very fantastic.
So now that is that about that. You can use your mobile phone, you can also use your laptop, just your Google, that's your browser, or maybe the Meta AI app if you prefer. One quick one, you don't even have to use ChatGPT. You can also decide to even generate these prompts right from Meta AI. Because Meta AI is not just for chatting, it must not be ChatGPT. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. And hey, if you didn't subscribe, if you found value in this, if you got value from this, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications so that you can always get notifications whenever I make new videos. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. For now, bye.